Okay, so I've been playing around with something on ChatGPT and I just wanted to show you because it will actually help you a lot when creating your products. So what I've been doing is getting it to come up with a mood board. So I'm just going to paste in my prompt here. So you can see here we've got creating a branding mood board in a collage style layout with the following features. A cohesive and elevated design aesthetic based on a theme, and then you just insert your theme. And I've just got include 3 lifestyle or brand style images, 3 design elements like patterns, line drawings or painted textures, 1 stylish brand logo that suits the style appropriate for business templates, a 6 color palette shown with the hex codes, 3 font suggestions with name labels and styled in ideal sizes, and they've got title font 30 points, body font 12 points, and the accent script font 18 points. Use clean, natural lighting and a layout that feels professional and calming. Overall, the vibe should feel like a brand kit, something a designer would use to build a cohesive Canva template or digital products quickly. That probably didn't make sense, but Chatty actually wrote this prompt for me. So what we're going to do here is in the insert the style part, we are going to go with, let's try a boho neutral theme for a virtual assistant. And let's see what it comes up with. So you can see it's starting to generate here. It doesn't take long at all, but I found that this is really helpful, especially if you're designing digital products like business templates. But you could also do it for other niches as well, because it will give you a lot of ideas, and it will also give you ideas for your own branding as well. Okay, so as you can see, it has dropped in the images, the color palette. It has put in a pattern. It's done a little logo, which isn't flash. It has put down some fonts, but it hasn't put all 3. It's missing one. So it's not perfect by any means, but it's a good starting point. And so the next thing that you can actually do with it is you can say, using this, let's say mood board, because that's what we called it. Using this mood board, could you please design 6 social media graphics as an example. Again, this would be for a virtual assistant and is just to give me some examples on how to use this branding in a design. And there we go. Okay, so as you can see, it has created some. Now I did ask for 6 and it's given me 4 and then 2 little bits at the bottom that I suppose could be used for like a business card or something. But it gives you a starting point, so it's giving you that outline that you could use for your design, just to give you some ideas. So if you're not sure where to start, it gives you some good ideas. So if we were to then copy this and we change it and we say we want a Hamptons feel, coastal, light and airy style, and then we hit go, and let's see what we get this time. So in this one I didn't specify who it was for, so it hasn't done it for a virtual assistant, it's just done it in general. But as you can see, it's given us the right feel, and it's given us a color palette, and it's given us the hex codes this time, even though that one looks like it's got one number or one letter too many. But it's cut off the fonts and some of the elements, so it still hasn't behaved itself as Chatty does. It doesn't like to follow instructions sometimes, but it's a good starting point for your designs is what I'm getting at. So again, you could say to it, okay, what would you like to design from here? So you could say, can you use this Hampton style mood board and create a Canva website, or create a website using this branding as an example for me. Example on how to use this, how to use this in a stylish way, and then we'll hit enter. Let's see what it comes up with this time. So as you can see, it's now put together like an example website, just to show you how you could place the elements and how you could actually make it look quite professional. So it's given you that good starting point again. So the main purpose for this, and you can tweak the prompt to suit yourself, and you could add more detail to it. You could be more specific, and then it has to comply with what you're telling it. So you can do lots of tweaking to it. But then at the end of the day, it's giving you all of these different ideas that you can then put into your digital products. So it's giving you that starting point if you're not a real creative person and you need that help to know exactly how to lay things out and, you know, what sort of size fonts to use, etc. It'll give you that really good starting point. So I think it's a really great place to start getting some design inspiration now for your products. So it can definitely help. I just think it just needs a little bit of a tweak in the actual prompt itself, and then I think it would be really, really helpful. So I'm going to continue playing around with it, and I will save my prompt for you guys if you would like a copy of it. I'll put a copy of it in the description, so you can just copy it. No gatekeeping, you can just have it. Alright, I hope that this has been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.